You don't know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hello, I'm DriveMaster, your driving instructor. Join us and drive safely without getting a ticket. Today, we're going to learn how to parallel park. It's very easy if you know all the rules. So here we go. Step 1. Find a spot where you can visually fit your car. Step 2. Stand parallel to the car in front of you at a distance of 0.5 meter. Now turn the steering wheel to the right as far as it will go and slowly back up until, in the left rearview mirror, you can fully see the two headlights of the car behind you. Step 3. Align the wheels of your car so that they are straight. Now back up until the front edge of your car passes the rear bumper of the car in front of you. Step 4. Turn your car's wheels to the left and continue backing up until your car is in line with the other cars. Step 5. Align your wheels straight again and drive slightly forward. Congratulations! You have successfully parked. Now practice on your own in quiet, low-traffic areas. A few tries will be enough, and you will have no problem using parallel parking in your daily life.